Is it possible to use a personal email address to send emails from System.io? Is it possible to use a personal email address to send emails from System.io? In this video, we explain why using a personal email address like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook to send emails via System.io is no longer recommended. We also cover the steps you need to take, current limitations, and best practices to make sure your emails reach your customers' inboxes. Due to new security policies by major email providers, using free email domains to send emails from third-party platforms is now restricted or banned. Why are personal email addresses being restricted? In early 2024, Google and Yahoo strengthened their security policies to fight spam, identity spoofing, fraudulent emails. These new rules make it harder to use free email addresses through external software like autorespond. The result is emails may be blocked. Emails may be marked as spam. Emails may be rejected by the recipient's server. Which domains are still allowed but not recommended? Some Microsoft domains like Outlook.com, Hotmail.com, and Live.com are still off. Warning important. Even though allowed, using these often causes deliverability problems. Your emails may not reach your customers. What free domains are prohibited? Mail. As of July 16, 2024, you cannot send emails via System.io using an @Gmail account. Google's 2024 policy update considers users sending over 5,000 emails per day as bulk senders. This leads to email rejection, spam filtering. To protect deliverability, Gmail addresses are now banned as senders. Yahoo uses a strict authentication policy called DMARC. Emails from @Yahoo.com sent through external servers will be rejected. LaPoste.net. Strict DMARC policy blocks emails sent from this domain via third-party platforms. ZohoMail. Zoho applies a restrictive DMARC policy preventing third-party sending. ProtonMail. ProtonMail quarantines emails sent from outside its servers, risking spam folder placement. What is the recommended solution? Professional email address with your own domain name, such as contact@yourdomain.com. This helps you build brand credibility, improve email deliverability, follow industry standards. To send emails with a professional address on System.io, you must authenticate your domain. This confirms you have permission to send from that domain. What about transactional emails? System.io now automatically assigns a sender's address for transactional emails. If you don't have a professional sender address, these emails will come from an address like user email @transactional. Replies from customers go back to your original personal email via an automatic reply to field. This feature is only for transactional emails and works in the background, without showing in your dashboard. Why is this update important? Professional domain authentication helps you stay compliant with industry standards, improve your sending reputation, avoid being blocked as an unauthorized sender, ensure reliable communication with your audience. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you want to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and grab various free resources right now. Don't miss out on these free resources to help you get started.